How do penguins survive walking on ice without freezing their feet? Penguins live in some of the coldest places on Earth, so they need special adaptations to survive. One of their most amazing features is the way they keep their feet warm. Penguins have a unique blood circulation system in their legs. Warm blood flowing from their bodies heats the cooler blood returning from their feet. This process, called countercurrent heat exchange, helps them conserve heat while preventing frostbite. Their feet are also covered in tough, insulating skin to handle the icy ground. It's like wearing built-in winter boots all year round.